2020 has been a very different year than what we were expecting, and the world of recycling will be severely impacted by COVID-19, just like any other sector. In today's video, we will take a look at some of the potential impacts of the virus and the government restrictions on Australian and global recycling. We expect a number of the problems and trends affecting the sector prior to COVID to be exacerbated. Let's be honest, recycling was in a crisis prior to the impact of COVID, and that crisis will only get deeper now. Let's look at some of the key trends, some of which may be obvious, but others less so. A huge expansion in single-use plastics. Whether this is plastic bags, PPE for medical staff, face masks, or drinking straws, the global population is much more open and accepting of single-use plastics at the moment. This will likely continue for some time. A great increase in rubbish is being produced by domestic homes. People are spending much more time at home and hence eating at home much more and producing much more rubbish. Homes tend to recycle less effectively than businesses, and so we expect an increase in recycling materials going to landfill. A third issue is a collapse in the global economy will pretty much collapse the market for recyclable materials. The cost of recycled cardboard, for example, will collapse due to decreased demand. This will inevitably mean more waste going to landfill. If those are the most obvious impacts, there are some longer-term ones for a country like Australia. In recent years, China was becoming increasingly restrictive on the quality of recycling materials they would accept for processing. This will likely increase even more. Geopolitical disagreements will likely have more impact on trade issues. There may also be increased focus on manufacturing in Australia as international travel, trade and supply lines may be seen as more risky in the years ahead. Increased manufacturing in Australia will increase the demand for recyclable materials domestically and could help support the recycling industry here. Any government spending plan should also aim to include new recycling facilities or energy from waste facilities. All we can do is hope for the best and work together for the best outcomes. Check out waster.com.au for lots more recycling info or call us on 1300 927 837.